Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant.
Hey guys, wanted to give you a fast update here. It's kind of a delay here since, as many of you know, about 3 weeks ago I had a heart attack, and it's kind of slowing me down. But anyway, I wanted everyone to know that Fenimore Road, the road that the campground's on, is under construction. It's being repaved. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. But it might still be under construction during the meetup. So the road will still be open. It's just going to be a little bit more on the narrow side. But it could be done by then. So I will keep you guys posted. Secondly, especially if you're new, if you've made reservations with the campground, you need to let us know what site you're on. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have Instagram, anything like that. We need proper numbers so we know how many people are coming. A lot of people have been signing up on the Facebook page and saying they're coming, but yet we have no new emails or no new sites reserved. So we need proper numbers on that. So secondly, I was kind of thinking, I have some 50s, like 50s diner, 50s type decorations that were for a party from many years ago that never got used. So during Sonia's RV DJ show, maybe we could do like a 50s thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk to Sonia first, and then if she doesn't mind, we'll still play the normal music we do, but we'll throw in some 50s stuff, kind of turn it into like a little hop there, or whatever. So I'll put a poll in the Facebook group page. People can vote if they like that idea or not. So it's something different, and I can get rid of some of these decorations. So anyway, like I said, this is going to be kind of short. I know I used to put out a lot more of these update videos, but honestly, there's nothing really to update right now. In July, we will be working on the schedule, which will change probably a few times before September. I'll keep you guys posted on that as soon as we're done planning that. To go up on the Facebook page, we'll do a video. We'll get it out there. And last year, we actually laminated the schedules and hand them out to everyone. They kind of liked that because that was kind of like a keepsake, and didn't have to worry about it getting damaged. So if you guys are into that again, I'll do that again. So anyway, I'm going to go inside. I'm kind of tired, so get this video out. And anyways, until next time, happy trails.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. a smile up on my face. They leave